Bro, it's recording. The startup is all yours. And this is his first startup. First time hearing it, first time seeing it. Hey, I'm hoping that comes through on the GoPro. In real life, it's different. We are off somewhere today. Again, I don't know where. We're on a bit of a time window, so we're not going to go too far. We are going to hit the streets. And I've dropped my glove. Brilliant. Good or bad?
Got that sound, man.
Never go wrong with Austin racing. Oh.
Whoa.
Nah, I need those.
I think it's a link back.
Jump into the petrol station first. Right, people, let's get petrol. Say again? More than happy, but I ain't gonna lie, yeah, sometimes it f***ing hurts. The vibrations in your feet, bro. Mad.
Vibrate.
Yeah, you know the palm of your foot, constant vibration. People, we are somewhere in Clent Hills. We've just had a quick little trip up here, and now we're going to explore. He's on a timing schedule. I've got to be back for a certain time. Family. Boring. Ruin everything. So this should be interesting. Oh, there are pops and bangs. It's been so long since I've been on this bike. I know I said that before, but I think it's been about a month plus. I know, I've been slacking with the vlogs, but I don't mean to show off, but I've been busy every weekend.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
One weekend family, one weekend is a trip away with the boys. We went to Bath, we went to Bristol. It got very sticky very quickly. Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay. We're here apparently. What are we doing? We're going back. One sec. Okay, we're gonna spin it around. Hold on. Say that again.
I thought you could drive and it had like a big car park, but it has. But look, you got to pay in it. Nah, there's some fat geezer sitting in the GC.
I saw someone standing there. Hold on, I have to get off. God, this is. Yeah.
His brother worked for Ruler. Man was paying £20 for engine note jacket.
Shut up.
For the end of the line ones. His brother goes, look, my brother got it for me. I said, where you get that from?
Huh?
£20, end of stock.
We've just left Clent Hills, people. It was a very short trip. Now we're back on the roads. There's no real plan in mind of where we're going. We're just going and see where the road takes us. Bank holiday, weather's half decent. Can only mean one thing: get out on the bike. The vibrations, the exhaust is kicking off in my feet are mad. It's almost a little bit jarring. Where are we going? Right, people, we've left our destination. Done a bit of sightseeing. Now we are leaving and heading back. Oh yeah, it's recording. Okay. Right people, we're gonna swap bikes. Rich is gonna take mine, I'm gonna take his. 1600. I've never ridden that before. He's ridden mine before. So this should be fun. I don't know what's happening with the GoPro, people. Oh, battery's on the verge of death. That's why it keeps cutting off. Okay. So, battery's dying.
Alright, man.
Yeah. Chilling.
Yeah, it's nice, man. You feel different when you ride that then?
So different.
That is so